Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Facebook profile. Before we continue, please remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you find this video helpful. Let us get started without wasting much time. Click on your Facebook profile picture there, then click on this place here. Now click on these three dots. Okay, now we are going to lock the profile first. Just lock it, okay, so that you can see how to unlock it. Okay, the profile has been locked. Now we want to unlock it. What do we do? Okay, assuming we are in this page, let's just scroll back. We're on the normal page here. Then we click on the profile picture. Then we click on that page. Then we click on the three buttons once again. Now we go to unlock profile. Then we unlock the profile by tapping this place here. You see, we'll be able to unlock our profile just like this. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.